Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a great video for you today with some great information, but make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we're going to be looking at Kroger Community Rewards. What is it? How do we get it on our card? And then how do we pick an organization that we want to give money to? We're going to check out all of these questions plus more. Let's get going. So first of all, what you may be wondering is what exactly is Kroger Community Rewards? Well, to put it very simply, it's just a way to connect your Kroger card with an organization in your community, and every time you make a purchase, a percentage of that profit is actually given to that organization. But you do have to connect your card with a community organization. So let me show you how to do that. First and foremost, make sure that you are logged in to your Kroger.com account. Now, the easiest way to do this is online. So you want to make sure that you are logged in. If you are not, you will see over here is where you log in. Then we're going to scoot on over to where it says menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click menu. At that point, we'll have a box pop out, and you are going to scroll down all the way to the very bottom of this box. At that point, you'll see a line here. You're going to see savings as that first option. So click that link right there. All right, so it's going to pop up a new box. Again, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll notice we've got lots of different choices here. We're going to go all the way to the bottom where we see Community Rewards. Click on Community Rewards. At that point, it's going to take you to this page here where it's going to explain exactly how Community Rewards works. And it's super easy what you're going to do. If you don't have a digital account, you'll create one and make sure you link your shopper's card to it. Once you link your shopper's card, that's when you can pick your organization and start earning money for them. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you are going to link your shopper's card here. Now, if you happen to be an organization like, for instance, I'm president of our PTA this year, I would go ahead and set up my organization if it's not already listed. Fortunately, mine is already listed. So I'm going to hit Get Started here. Now, I was previously enrolled in this one. I unenrolled myself so I could show you how to do this. And as you can see, I was enrolled in Yaley Elementary PTA, where I am the president of the PTA, and my contribution for last quarter was only $4.63. But the thing is, if you have, I don't even know, 100 families, 200 families, something like that, that enroll in one organization, that money is going to add up extremely quickly. So what you want to do is actually just hit that enroll button up here. At that point, you're going to come to another page where it says find an organization right here. Now, of course, you're going to type in whatever organization you're looking for. If you are not familiar with an organization that is a part of that, you may want to just start searching them. Is there one in particular that you would like to have your community rewards go to? And if you can't think of anything, just search your local schools that are around you and load your card to it. So we're going to look up Yaley Elementary, because that is where I'm going to connect my card, and it has been connected for many years. So as you can see, popped up Yaley Elementary PTA, which I have been in this organization for actually many, many years. My son started out school there about 9 years ago. And then now I have a daughter in there, and I'll have a daughter in there going another 7 years. So I'm going to click on Enroll here. And now I am enrolled. All right. And of course, you can always change your organization. So for some reason, you're at the elementary school and your kids graduate and they go to the middle school, you could always change your organization at a later date to that middle school. All right. And so it was as simple as that. Now, every time I shop, a little bit of the profit that they receive is going to go towards this particular organization.
Okay, so let's say you don't have everything set up on a computer or you don't have time to jump on to a desktop. What you want to do on your app is go to your Kroger app. Of course, I have it right there in the middle. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to pop up. So I want to join my community rewards. In the upper left hand side of the screen, you're going to see 3 lines. Click on that and a box is going to drop down. At that point, under Home, Cart, Recipes, Rewards, you're going to click on the Rewards section there. Now you can check out your fuel points, obviously, but we're going to go to Community Rewards. All right, so I'm going to search for an organization. And again, I'm going to type in Yearly. I found it. I'm going to enroll my card. And now I am all set up in the community rewards for Yaley Elementary PTA. And I'll be good to go. And all you have to do to get out of there, just hit the back button and you're good to go. Just head to the store, go shopping, and a little bit of every time you shop is going to go towards that community.
All right, so before I take off, I want to make sure that you guys understand how Kroger Community Rewards works. And I want to make sure that you go ahead and link your card to some organization within your community. Whether or not it's a local school, maybe elementary, middle school, high school, or possibly you're going to link it to an animal shelter or whatever seems important to you in your community, you want to do that. Every little bit helps. Even though my less than $5 for last quarter was donated to our local school, the last time we received a check for our PTA, it was roughly $700. It didn't cost anybody anything to give us that money. All they had to do was simply go to the grocery store, shop like normal, and that's all it took. So, what I want you to do, link your card right now before you go any further, and let's make our communities better by shopping at Kroger.